Hello, I'm here at Los Angeles Refrigeration Transport Reefer repair service here in Los Angeles, in Vernon, and I'm here with Renee. I'm gonna ask him, what is the most important thing that people need to do for reefer maintenance?
They need to check their oil and their coolant level.
Check their oil and coolant level.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know how they can do that?
Well, a lot of people don't do that in the morning, part of their pre-trip.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day, really important, because when they
Just
don't
like
check
you check
that,
your oil on the tractor
yes.
and your antifreeze on your tractor,
Okay.
have to do on the reefer too.
Okay. And then what? Can they come to you to do that? Like maybe once a month if they don't know how to do it?
I will be happy to show them how to do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is your address?
I just moved here. I don't know the address at this moment.
It's okay. I'll write it in the description.
Yeah, at this moment I know the address.
Yes, and I know it's in your truck. You have a truck here that has the address on it. The truck that was there?
No, that's the old address.
Oh, that's the old address.
That's the old address.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, we just moved here. We haven't got any of those yet.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.